Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Ayaz. The topic is food and digestion for grade or level 8 and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. Here's a summary of the last lesson. The salivary gland produces enzyme amylase that breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates or sugars. Enzymes are biological substances that speeds up the reaction. The muscles in the gullet contract and relax, producing a wave-like pattern which pushes the food along the esophagus to the stomach. This process is called peristalsis. The learning outcome for this lesson is same, that is to describe how the human digestive system helps in the digestion of food and the part played by enzymes in digestion. So I've talked about enzymes in the last video, and that is they are the biological substances or catalysts which speed up or increase the rate of reaction in living organisms. Enzymes are the biological substances or catalyst which speed up or increase the rate of reaction in living organisms. Amylase breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates. This is the enzyme which breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates. While lipase are the enzymes that breaks down fats into simple units of fatty acids and glycerol. Breaks down fats or lipids into simple units of fatty acid and glycerol. Protease. Protease breaks down proteins into simple units of amino acids. It breaks down proteins into simple units of amino acids. Carbohydrates like amylase, it also breaks down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars or carbohydrates. It breaks down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars or carbohydrates. Here's a summary of this lesson. Amylase breaks down complex carbohydrates or sugars into simple carbohydrates. Lipase breaks down fats into simple units of fatty acids and glycerol. Protease breaks down proteins into simple units of amino acids. Carbohydrates breaks down carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. Right? Complex carbohydrates into simple sugars. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.